Using Sezzle in your Amazon is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how you guys can use Sezzle to pay for your Amazon products that you want to buy. So for that, what you have to do is you just simply have to open up your Sezzle app and you need to create a virtual card. So why are we creating a virtual card? So as we know, virtual card is a card which is same as credit card, but it is virtual, which means it is a digital card saved on your phone. You just need to take this card and you guys can easily make a payment with that. So how can we do that? You just need to go to Amazon, select any of the product that you want to buy. Suppose I click on computer mice, and then click on any of the mouse, and here you guys can see. So here I just have to click on this buy now. What it will do is it will want me to sign up to my account. After signing up, it will take me, of course, to the checkout page. How the checkout page will look, if I go to images, this is how the checkout page should look. You just have to select your credit card as a payment source. So you just have to add the card information from your Sezzle virtual card. You just need to add this as your number. You just need to add your security code and your dates. So after that, they will obviously charge the amount of what you bought on Amazon from your Sezzle virtual card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Sezzle at Amazon to make any purchases. Hope you guys found this video helpful.